Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got an Instagram birthday collab for Jen over at Hafina Creations. I'm using Super Chick Lacquer 40 Winks and Bundle Monster 209 Stampin' Plate. I am starting this one off with Nail Teaks Formula 2, and here is Super Chick Lacquer, and this is 40 Winks, stunning purple hollow. And the formula is divine. Trying to use some different words. It is a very luscious polish. It's a one coater if you want it to be. You guys know I'm going to do two, but it could be a one coater. And all of these hollows from Super Chick Lacquer that I've ever tried also stamp. So keep that in mind. There's our first coat. I'm going to go in with the second coat. And look, I mean, it's got a great formula. And it's super pretty. And Hafina's favorite color is purple. I am going to top it with the Liquid Macro Marble by Super Chick. And I call her Hafina because that's what I've always called her. But her name is Jen. And I have been following her channel for years and years and years. So if you'd like to check her out or check out the other manicures, if I get a link to everyone participating, I'll put it in the description. So there's 40 Winks on its own. BM 209. Use that little image right there. And this is an old Bundle Monster. And this one is Monarch Dream. Kind of like a real light purple. Got out my Collab stamper and my scraper from Maniology. I'm going to just use this corner for most of my nails. I'm going to put the same image on the corners of my nails. But the theme today was purple for her favorite color and hearts because we love her. She does a lot of different kinds of videos. Some nail related, some makeup related. So that went on really well. I'm going to clean my stamper off on my lint roller here. Get that plate cleaned off with some acetone. And this is one of my older plates. These were back when I bought all the round Bundle Monster plates. Now y'all know Bundle Monster is now Maniology, so I'm not sure if you can even find these plates. And I apologize for that, but you know, if you've got stuff, use it. If you've got something similar, you could do a similar design. Whatever. I just wanted to share what I was doing today. Now on my accent nail, I'm going to use as much of that image as I can. So I'm going to fill it all in. Now I've got these super short nails, so I'm not going to be able to get very much of it on there, but we're going to make it a little different than the other nails. This stamping polish is working like a dream too. I don't know that I've ever used it. So there we go. How pretty. And we got one more to do, y'all. Get this one last one done, and then we're going to do some top coating. Well, clean up and then top coat. But I decided I wanted to just go with this design because it was a little different. You know, instead of like all hearts all over all the nails. I actually had many ideas for this manicure. So now I'm trying to figure out how to turn the image to make it right. There we go. Ta-da! I am going to go in with my cleanup brush and do just a little bit of tidying up. There wasn't very much to clean up on this one. There it is. I'm going to top everything with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. There is a discount code down in the description box for Maniology if you're interested. There we go. Nice. Didn't smear it. And then I'm going to use the Marble Liquid Macro Top Coat again over this manicure. I've said it before. I'll say it again. I save this special top coat when I'm playing with Super Chick polishes. There's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.